How to fix Mercedes Benz screen went black. If you're having this issue on your Mercedes, then this video is for you. To fix it, first of all, turn the car off completely, remove the key, and wait for a few minutes. After you wait for a few minutes, then restart the car. If this works, then you are good to go. But if this doesn't work, try pressing and holding the power button and then wait for 10 to 15 seconds. This should restart the command system, potentially restoring the screen. If the issue persists, there may be a deeper software or hardware problem, and visit a dealership or qualified technician might be necessary. In this way, you can solve Mercedes-Benz screen went black issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.